In our fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for millions. It lurks in our offices, haunts our homes, and even invades our dreams. But what if we could transform this silent enemy into a catalyst for positive change? Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old marketing executive. Like many of us, she's caught in the whirlwind of modern life.
I feel like I'm always running, always behind. My heart races, my mind won't quiet down. I know it's affecting my health, but I don't know how to stop.
Sarah's story is far from unique. According to the American Psychological Association, 77% of people regularly experience physical symptoms caused by stress.
Stress isn't just a mental state. It has real, tangible effects on our bodies. From headaches to heart disease, the impact of chronic stress can be devastating.
But why has stress become such a pervasive issue in our society? To understand this, we need to look at the very fabric of our modern lives. Our body's stress response evolved to help us survive immediate physical threats. When our ancestors faced a predator, their bodies flooded with stress hormones, preparing them for fight or flight. Today, we rarely face such immediate dangers. Instead, we're confronted with a constant barrage of low-level stressors, deadlines, financial worries, relationship issues, and the ever-present ping of our devices.
Our brains can't distinguish between a life-threatening situation and the stress of a looming work deadline. The physiological response is the same, and when it's constantly activated, it takes a toll on our health.
Chronic stress can lead to a host of health problems: cardiovascular disease, weakened immune system, digestive issues, and mental health disorders like anxiety and depression.
I knew stress was bad, but I had no idea it could affect so many aspects of my health. It's scary to think about.
But here's the good news. While we can't eliminate stress entirely, we can learn to manage it effectively and even use it to our advantage.
The key is to shift our perspective. Stress isn't inherently bad. It's our body's way of telling us something needs our attention. The trick is learning to listen and respond appropriately.
So how can we start this journey towards better stress management and improved health? Let's explore some evidence-based strategies. Mindfulness practices help us stay present and avoid getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past.
At first, I thought I couldn't do it. My mind was too busy. But with practice, I've learned to observe my thoughts without getting caught up in them. It's like a mini vacation for my brain.
Physical activity is one of the most effective stress busters we have. It releases endorphins, improves sleep, and boosts overall health.
I started with just a 10-minute walk each day. Now, I look forward to my daily runs. It clears my head and energizes me.
Quality sleep is crucial for stress management and overall health.
Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. Your body and mind will thank you.
A balanced diet can help your body cope with stress more effectively.
Focus on whole foods, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and stay hydrated. Limit caffeine and alcohol, which can exacerbate stress symptoms.
Strong social bonds can provide emotional support and help buffer against stress.
I used to cancel plans when I felt stressed. Now I realize that connecting with friends actually helps me feel better.
Learning to prioritize tasks, say no to unnecessary commitments, and set boundaries can significantly reduce stress levels.
I've learned to be realistic about what I can accomplish in a day. It's liberating to say no sometimes.
Sometimes we need expert guidance to navigate stress and its effects on our health.
There's no shame in seeking help from a mental health professional. They can provide personalized strategies and support.
It's been a journey, but I feel like I'm finally in control of my stress, not the other way around. My health has improved, I sleep better, and I actually enjoy my work again.
Sarah's story shows us that while stress may be an inevitable part of life, its negative impacts on our health don't have to be. By understanding the nature of stress and implementing effective management strategies, we can not only reduce its harmful effects, but also harness its energy to drive positive change in our lives. Remember, managing stress is not about achieving a stress-free life. That's neither possible nor desirable. It's about building resilience, making conscious choices, and prioritizing our well-being in a world that often seems designed to do the opposite.
Every small step you take towards better stress management is a step towards better health. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can.
As we've seen, the path to managing stress and improving health is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personal journey of discovery, requiring patience, persistence, and self-compassion. But with the right tools and mindset, it's a journey that can lead to a healthier, more fulfilling life. So the next time you feel stress creeping in, take a deep breath. Remember Sarah's story, and know that you have the power to transform your relationship with stress. Your mind, body, and future self will thank you.